Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we are in Envigado. We're looking at a property and I'll go over exactly where it is on the map here at the end of the video. This property is 81 square meters, so you have a bit of space to work with. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. We're on the 4th floor. You have a parking space included with this property as well as a storage room. The location is great. It's in the lower parts of Envigado, so it's flat. We're 1 block away from La Buena Mesa, where all the restaurants are, as well as the shopping mall Viva Envigado. When we're looking at the property here, I think it could use a bit of upgrades, maybe some new flooring, maybe you could tear down one of these walls like in this room to kind of open up the kitchen and the living area just to kind of give you that more open feeling. If you're looking for Envigado and you want to be in a good location where you're surrounded by a lot of good top amenities and nice dining options, and even as well as transportation access, I think this property might be it. Maybe if you're looking to put something on Airbnb, I think this property has the potential. It just needs those few upgrades that I was mentioning, and I think it could do really well just based off like the prime location where it's at. Maybe if you furnish it pretty nicely, as well as some of the upgrades that you do, and of course the way that you market it and the management of it as well. So I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of this property tour, and then we'll go and check out where it's located on the map. All right, so here's the property listing listed on our website. If you guys do want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. On the listing here, you'll have all of the information about the property. We'll go down to the map here to show you where it's located. So we're on Calle 32 Sur. Again, we're in the lower parts of Envigado, so it's all flat. And the main road that intersects with it is Avenida Las Vegas, Carrera 48. And if you know the road Las Vegas, then you know that this is a main road, and this road will go all the way up to El Poblado, going to the Poblado metro station, as well as going down further south into Envigado. So let me show you on Google Maps exactly where we're located in terms of like what's around us. So we're in the building Edificio San Bartolomé, again Calle 32 Sur. Here is Avenida Las Vegas, a minute walking, so Uber is going to be easy to get to pick you up because you're on a main road. Same with Rappi. Deliveries are going to be pretty easy. If we walk to the east to this area, now this area is La Buena Mesa, where all of the restaurants are. Restaurants like Gabo, restaurants like Olivia. You have some good steakhouses, as well as coffee shops, ice cream shops, and some bars, and a little bit of some boutique shops as well. Some good brunch spots to enjoy on Sunday mornings as well. So you're walking distance of like 10 minutes. Maybe you walk up a little hill, but it's nothing crazy. And it's this whole area right here that has that is called La Buena Mesa. So we'll go back to the building. Now walking west, we have Viva Envigado, the shopping mall, which in my opinion is one of my more favorite shopping malls in Medellin/Envigado. They just added IKEA, so if you do buy this property, then you can quickly head on over to IKEA and buy your furniture there, because you're so close to it. You're like 2 minutes, 3 minutes walking. There's also Smart Fit in Envigado. There's Home Center as well. It's a big shopping mall, so you're gonna have all the restaurants and shops there as well. And lastly, what I like about this property, the location wise, right? We have all of these great options around you. You're in El Portal, that's the neighborhood El Portal, but you're also walking distance to the Envigado metro station, which I'll zoom in right here. This is the metro station. So you're about 15-minute walking distance. Again, it's flat, so it's an easy walk. Or you could get a cab. It doesn't matter, however you feel. But in terms of for you, if you're someone that likes to take the metro, you'd like to take local transportation, well, you're near Main Road and you're also very near the metro line. So it's not a bad location for you. And same for if this was a property that you were thinking about renting out on Airbnb, tourists, they love to take local transportation, especially the metro, to kind of go do the tours up north or in downtown, then you're kind of giving them a good option there, and you're also in a safe neighborhood. So there you go. That's this property. Again, it's located in El Portal, Envigado. All right, there you have it. If you are interested in this property, or maybe you're interested in something completely different, maybe you want to look in El Poblado or Laureles, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us and you're ready to buy in 30 days, then go ahead and fill out the form. The link is down below in the description, and someone on our team will contact you as soon as possible. I'll see you guys on the next video.